So today's lesson is on proportions, and you're not going to be solving these proportions like you will in future lessons. All we're really focusing on this lesson is making sure we know if two things are proportional. Okay? We've talked about equivalent ratios before. Essentially, if a proportion is proportional, it's when you have two equivalent ratios. There are four methods that I want to go through. If you already did your reading in your book for this assignment, it already showed you a lot of these. The first method is to simplify. Okay? If you have two ratios, you're trying to tell if they're equal, you could simplify each ratio. If they simplify to the same thing, they are proportional. Okay? In this example, if I simplified this by dividing by 2, I would have 3/5. Over here, I would divide by 6. I would also get 3/5. Obviously, these are proportional. The problem with that method is that you can't simplify a lot of what they give you because some of the numbers at this level get harder and more confusing, harder to simplify. So let me give you some other ideas as well. Common denominator. Just like fractions, if you want to compare two things, you need to get a common denominator. If you get the same denominator and the numbers up top are the same, proportional. If they're different, not proportional. This example down here, 21 and 7, let's just make this one a denominator of 21 by multiplying by 3. That would give you 15 over 21. Is that equal to 14 over 21? No. Not proportional. A third way is unit rates. We just covered unit rates in our last section. Obviously, a unit rate, you could just do top divided by bottom. Okay, 26 divided by 10, 2.6. 13 divided by 15 is also 2.6. Yes, those are proportional. That's just a unit rate. The last method, and the method we're going to use a ton over the next few sections, is cross products. This is when you multiply diagonally, right there and right there. Okay? 2.6 times 20 is 52. 5.2 times 10 is 52. When you use cross products, these two things should equal each other if it's proportional. Since they do, this is yes. If they didn't, it would be no. And those four methods will show you if things are proportional or not.